Okay, so we went to Hobby Lobby and look what we came back with. Oh my goodness, how pretty is it? Two cabinets together. I was kind of going for the library card look or the apothecary. They match. Very nice. I got that, and I'll show you what else I picked up. Oh, I just love looking at it. And so the only other thing I picked up at Hobby Lobby was some paper. I don't live near Hobby Lobby, so when I don't follow their sales. I was just surprised that their paper was 50% off. So I did get quite a bit. These Authentic Life cards. And this is what I usually use my 40% coupon on. But I got it for half off. And I love the coat check and the claim checks, the parcel, little certificates. I just love this little pad. So I got that. And then I also got the Prima Bella Rouge. And then there's 3 each. The designs, 3x4. They do have the solid color on the other side. I saw this pad on Mary Beth's channel, MB Gray Designs, and it's the romance novel by Prima. 48 sheets. And it said on the flyer attached, around the store that all scrapbook pads and paper kits, single sheets, all were 50% off. Including this vintage Valentine. This was in their Valentine section. I planned to use my 40% coupon on this. But she said, no, it's 50% off. And I just then checked out and left the store. They had this and a love pad. And I think they're both by Paper Studio. The Authentic pad in latest and greatest. Double-sided. I thought this would be fun to make small envelopes with, or card bases. Some single sheets. So a few of those. I think they're all one-sided. And I don't count, I just kind of grab some, and because I mess up and then I want some to have for other things. I told Mark, I said I need to grab my Halloween and fall now because I don't know when I'll make a return trip to the store. Some of this plain piano or music sheet. And then I also got some with a Christmas song on there, the 12 Days of Christmas. Some of that, some of this, and I think that's, oh, I got one more 12 by 12. This is the My Mind's Eye Lost and Found there was only one double-sided sheet. And then they did have some of these 8.5 by 11s. A couple of those and a couple of those. And my last thing I picked up was this 12 by 12 paper pad by Prima. It has 6 double-sided designs, 8 sheets of each. And again, half off. Double-sided, I think I said that. I know, right? Ay, ay, ay. So I'll try to go that way. Move my larger sheets out of the way here. Okay. I like that there's multiple sheets of each. One of these has a lady at the top of the paper. A lot of cut aparts. There, this one has a lady at the top, and then the rest is just a light design. And I think that's it. All right, so that's what I got at Hobby Lobby. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you later. Bye.